Hello and welcome to the Sky Report for March 2020. I'm Patrick So. At the beginning of this month, our daylight saving time comes into effect. Please remember to turn your clocks 1 hour ahead on Sunday, March 8th. Once the sun is set and twilight begins to fade, look to the west and you'll see high above the western horizon the brilliant planet Venus. It is now far from the sun and setting almost 4 hours after the sun has set. On the 28th at 8 p.m., look to the west and look for the 4-day-old crescent moon, which is right next to Venus. It forms a triangle with a group of stars above Venus called the Pleiades. After that, Venus continues to move towards the Pleiades and will be closest to this beautiful star cluster on April 4th. It does this once every 8 years. In the morning sky on the 18th, look to the southeast and you'll see the waning crescent moon. Right above it is the bright planet Jupiter, and right next to it is the planet Mars. Over to the left of the moon is the planet Saturn. 2 days later, the moon is gone, but Jupiter and Mars are very close, within 0.7 degrees of each other. 11 days later, Mars moves swiftly and joins Saturn, where they are 0.9 degrees apart. The vernal equinox is on March 19th. On this day, the midday sun stands 55 degrees above the southern horizon as seen from Los Angeles. The equinox marks the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere and autumn in the southern hemisphere. And for our moon phases this month, we're going green with our Shamrock moon phase calendar. First quarter is on the 2nd. Full moon is on the 9th. On the 16th, it's last quarter, and new moon is the 31st. And don't forget, on the 28th, there is a star party here at Griffith Observatory where members of local astronomy clubs set up their telescopes on the front lawn, and they're available for public to look through, and you can talk to the astronomy club members and enjoy the wonders of the night sky that evening. And that's it for the Sky Report. Until next time, cheerio.